y'all? Episode 2, but today is day 6. So we're just gonna have to do the week 1 recap. And I will say, the week has been quite the roller coaster. Tuesday, just beautiful trade, just perfect. Wednesday, just a little bit of a break-even day. Thursday, yeah. Friday was a quick little 200. So we're just gonna break it down. I'll show you all every trade that I took basically, and actually about that. Somehow I did not get Thursday, but like Thursday's live trades, but I can still show y'all how I did what I did. And for now, I'll show y'all the dashboard right here. This is how we're looking. This is how we're looking for week 1. As you see, 5 days complete. Yeah, here was that Tuesday, but here was that Thursday. And if you know what that 1K means, yep, negative 1K. Don't worry about that. Don't even worry about that. Don't even worry about that. So here's how here's my stats basically, and yeah, here's the trade ovate report if you needed that too. Here are all the trades, and this is where we're at. So we're just gonna recap all the trades except Thursday if I can find them. But yeah. Alright, so we're just gonna get right into it. This is Tuesday's price action, and just real quick, I'm seeing a reversal here. Basically, bodies respecting both of these fair value gaps. It kind of inverted this bearish one we had, and it's respecting this bullish one that we just created after we swept Asia's lows. So we just swept liquidity, in other words. So I see that, and then I see it get back up to the first presented after the first presented was used to go take that liquidity. So I'm thinking, is this one gonna get inverted too? And then here I check, right here I check the news. So it's just consumer confidence. I don't even care what it is. I don't care if consumer confidence is good. I don't care if it's bad. All I care is how the market reacts to it. Like, it's like that's literally it. So I'm seeing that we're bullish at the moment, like from the past like 10-20 minutes at this point. And we had a reversal, we swept liquidity. News comes in and price slash markets reacting to it bullishly. I didn't even care what it was, like I said. And I'm just gonna use that as a driver for price to go, basically. And so, like I said, I was just bullish, and I'm seeing it invert. So basically, I get in on this fair value gap right here. I'm seeing it kind of respect, and it's kind of going good. I'm seeing that. Put my stop down to below the lowest candle of that fair value gap that I entered on, and I just let it play out. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. Speed it up a little bit more. A little bit more. And I'm waiting. Just gonna submit to the trade. Here I outline it just to make it a little bit more clear. And Yep. Yep. But I hop back in. Why did I hop back in? Well, if if you see here, literally, what did price do? It literally just kind of dumped. It just dumped right back into this market structure shift and into the fair value gap that created the market structure shift. Like that's that's really a high probability. So it's literally, I already know, like this was literally just to get this liquidity. That's literally all it was, and I just got stopped out from it. Okay, I'm just get right back in because I'm bullish. I just saw the news. Well, I didn't even see the news, but I see how the market is reacting to the news. Just bullish, and I just re-entered. I just market ordered. I could have got a better entry had I waited a little bit, but like I said, like I said, off the lower end, off the lower fair value gap, put it out, and I just let it play out. Put my stop below that low because body's respecting the midpoint of the fair value gap, and I just let it play out. And when I'm in something like this, I just want to see the bullish PD arrays, aka bullish, just key levels, key things to look out for. I just want to see those be used to hold price higher if I'm bullish, or hold price lower if I'm bearish. And obviously in this case I bought, so I'm bullish. And I'm targeting obvious liquidity that's up here. Just put my targets up there. And we was stalling around here for a little bit. And yeah, target just kind of smashed my levels, and I was up $1,600 on that trade. And yeah, right here, I'm trying to show my account balance. Yep, that was Tuesday, and yeah, once you hit a big trade like that, you do not do any more. So, like I say, you gotta always put your lessons, like whether you lose or you win, like you gotta learn. You can still learn whether you win or lose. So yeah, here's my lessons. And yeah, that's Tuesday. All right. So here's Wednesday's price action. And right here, this was pre-market. It was like 8 o'clock. It was like a little bit before 9. I see this fair value gap right here. It was just like a quick little simple fair value gap entry, and yeah, I just let it play out. And I'm seeing 8:30 open, hold price down a little bit, but what I could have did better. Yeah, see, I got stopped. It was a quick little L. I just see what I say. It could have been better because if you look, like price I had already just dumped all the way down here. Like, why would I try to do that? So yeah, I learned my lesson on that. Why would I short at discount? Like, why would I, you know what I mean? Like, price already went all the way down here. So why would I expect it to go more without getting some liquidity first? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this type of movement is like, this is literally reversal movements right here anyways. So yeah, that was Tuesday pre-market. And then right here, okay, yeah, this is when market opened. Now I was eyeing this breaker right here, high, low, high, break, expecting. Well, I was hoping price come back down or come back up to true day open and hit the breaker right here, but it just wasn't trying to do that. And like I said, price was just dumping on me. So I was also kind of eyeing this sort of sort of little breaker. It's a breaker to me, or you can think of it as like an inverse order block right here. And yeah, I'm just gonna speed it up a little bit. Price kind of retracing, and I see this fair value gap that's kind of touching right there on that breaker. To me, that's unicorn model. So I'm eyeing that, and you see I'm getting ready. Enter. I entered right there. Put my stop just above the high of the highest candle of that fair value gap, and I just let it play out. Speed it up a little bit, and that thing was going. That thing was going good, but my entry is a little bit bad though. I did market order into this fair value gap, and I ended up down here, like with my entry. That's why you gotta always put limits, honestly. If you really want the entry that you are really wanting, you gotta put a limit. Like, and since my entry was bad, I moved my stop like more because I wouldn't be able to handle extra losses if it was to go against me because my entry was not that good. You know what I'm saying? And I get stopped in profit, and at that point, it just went like I just got quickly tapped, and then it just went. That's the stuff that gets me, kind of, But I've learned to, I gotta like be patient. Me back in the day, I would have chased it. I definitely would have chased it, and I would have got hurt. And I saw this fair value gap off of the move that literally just left without me, that just stopped me out. And I see that there, I had another chance right there. I didn't take it. I didn't take it. I was just gonna wait. I'm not trying to FOMO, like I said. And like I said, stop would have been really wide, actually. Would have lost a good amount had it went against me. So it's just coming down into this old bullish fair value gap, and it came back again, and I hesitated again. So at this point, I'm just waiting till 10. Let the opening range be done after 10 o'clock and see what price gives us. And it's just kind of chopping around a little bit until it comes back to the first presented on top of that breaker that we took earlier. Like, this was our first presented on top of that breaker that I took earlier. It literally came right back into that. So literally I just entered right there, as you see. Put my stop up above the high of the highest candle, the fair value gap. And yeah, as you see, price just going in my favor quite immediately. And yeah, did I have a target to the old fair value gap? No. Am I gonna put a target? We'll see. I'm moving that stop up, but am I gonna actually clip it? I can clip it down. Look, literally hit that target. Boom. Should have been out. Should have been out. I was extremely confident in this unicorn, and it played out perfect. Played out perfect. But I was being greedy. I was being greedy. And I was getting chopped and then stopped. And then, as you see, I'm salty. Salty about it. And then it goes even more in my favor. Wednesday was tough. Wednesday was tough. But I tried basically see it come back above this. Like I said, I was kind of upset about everything that I just missed by moving stops up too high, by marketing in, not getting my proper entry, not having my proper targets, and I got quickly stopped right there. I just took a quick little L. Like, yeah, that was tough, but yeah, I get back in. This is how you know I was kind of tilted, because usually I don't take this many trades this quickly, and the fair value gap that I was trying to short, I just used it as an inverted fair value gap because of the reaction that price was giving. So I just did a quick little market enter, and you do market enter off inverse fair value gap. I will say that's how I do it, and usually that works. And I wasn't gonna let what happened happen earlier and just let all the profits just go. So at this point, I moved my stop, and I just took that, and then I was done for the day. And like I said, always gotta have your lessons. And yeah, as you see, here's what I learned. I gotta trust the model. I didn't trust it. That's what happened Wednesday. Like, I would have been, shoot, I probably could have passed the challenge with Wednesday, be honest. But it's okay. It's all good. It was bittersweet. It was bittersweet. Yeah, that was Wednesday. Alright, y'all. So here's Thursday's price action, and we're just gonna get right into it. And this is the day that I took that $1,000 loss day, and these two trades did it. Yep. So this trade, the idea was this little possible breaker that was right here. So high, low, high, and then the last down close candle before the high. This one right here, and on top of a fair value gap, and you know what that means. It's a unicorn basically. So what did I do though? I see price go into both of those, go into the unicorn, and get a good reaction. So I kind of front runned it. All I had to do was wait. Had I waited, I would have had a better stop loss, a better. I would have been able to absorb the move more, absorb any movement against my idea in this unicorn model right here. But what I did, I front runned it. I market ordered, and the thing about market ordering is you're taking a gamble with the price that you want. When you see it, it's not necessarily going to be the price that you get when your order goes through. And So like I market ordered like up here, and basically the order went through, and I got the entry down here. So at this point, I have to submit to the trade. Like I'm already in it. All I had to do was just wait, really, and then I could have got a better entry. And basically, at this point, I was down $700 here, so I wasn't able to get the live replay, well, not replay, just like the live trades, because for some reason my recording wasn't working. But I went ahead and went into Tradeovate and like tracked like my entries. So that's these here. So as you see, I got in, entered right here, got stopped out immediately. Basically, it was 4 minutes right here, $705 loss. Damn, it's tough. And then price would literally just go in my direction. And then at that point, at that time, I didn't realize it was $700 for real. And I'm just, I'm cool. I missed that trade. Okay. Like I said, the old me would have chased. That's fine. So then enter again here. What did I do? I did the same thing. Why did I enter? It was just another fair value gap. Very fair value gap that literally reacted again off of the unicorn. So what did I do? I see price literally like respecting it like quite nicely here. Oops. And since I had already lost $700, one little move, like $300 against me, we hit $1,000. Like that's my my daily loss. As soon as you hit your daily loss, all your positions get liquidated, closed, all that, and you're locked out of the account for the day. And had I waited a little bit, I could have got the entry right here, and I could have probably not gotten liquidated. And yeah, so basically, price went against me $300 right here, or right here, and then yeah, I hit my daily loss, and immediately after I get stopped out, so I was liquidated, price goes in my favor, and then it would have hit my levels, like my target that was Asia's low for the night before. So yeah, that's how I lost $1,000 on Thursday. It's tough. Yeah. And I will say, like, the lessons learned for Thursday though was literally just you have to use limit orders on ideas. You can't use market orders. Like, only use market order if you're like you gotta get out, or like you're super confident that you're gonna get in. Because as you see, I mean, I was confident, but look at where my stop placement led me to literally liquidate it, and I was right both times. But stop placement, because the entry was bad, led to me getting literally liquidated. So that's just tough. So yeah. All right. So and here's Friday's price action, and yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. I didn't trade that morning, so I just traded the afternoon session. And yeah, we're just gonna fast forward this. So I entered off of this inversion fair value gap, thinking we got all this movement down here, and we just came back body respecting this bearish fair value gap and the 830 open, and yeah, just take it. But I've been trying to, like, I literally didn't learn my lesson from Thursday apparently, because look at this, basically by the bottom or short the bottom, and I wasn't trying to take a whole big L for no reason. So I moved my stop down, got out, got back in, thinking, okay, price is still respecting the fair value gap bearishly. So I'm gonna do it again, move my stop, another L. So that was tough. And just let price play out. So this point, price is still respecting the fair value gap. The body's respecting midpoint of this, as you see here, and pretty much 8:30 open. And basically, once I see this and I see a little bit of displacement, I'm right back in, and I'm thinking like this is like an order block basically. This is like order block entry basically. And yeah, I just entered, and market sold, and just let price play out. And yeah, as you see down here, price doing good. Basically, um, erase the L's that I got from these two L's in this day, and I closed it at 700, and then yeah, that was it. That's my account balance for the week, and that's all the trades that I took basically for the week. And this is week one. You know, it's the I like to say it's the warm up week, and we'll see how price action in February. Like, we'll see what that gives us. It was the end of January, end of election season, all that. Price should start get back to normal. Markets start to get back to normal, and yeah, that's the recap for the week one, I guess. Um, Definitely week two should be way more organized than this whole episode. Even the last episode was kind of disorganized. Don't worry about that. Um, yeah. Just I'm gonna see y'all.